How to scan a QR code on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to give you two different ways to scan QR codes on your Samsung phone. First, with the camera on your Samsung phone, and then the second method will show you how to scan a QR code that's already on your phone, maybe on a website, in an email, something like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, if you have a QR code and you want to scan it with your phone using the camera, all you need to do is open up the camera on your Samsung phone, and then you just want to make sure that the entire QR code is captured by the camera. You'll then see this T show up, and you should see the contents of the QR code show up where you can select the arrow next to it, and you can decide to open the link if it's a URL, copy it, or share it. So if for some reason the camera on your Samsung phone does not scan QR codes, we can use an alternative method, which is to use a website. And we're going to be using a free website that I created called QRCodeGadget.com. I created QR Code Gadget because I wanted to be able to recommend something that works entirely in the browser on your phone, so no data ever leaves your phone. And check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get to QRCodeGadget.com, select Scan QR Code. Then you just need to give it access to your camera. Once you do that, you'll see the camera come up on QR Code Gadget, and when it finds a QR code, it'll let you know it's found, and then it will show you the text below where you can copy it, and then you could simply navigate to it if it's a website by pasting it into a browser or texting it, something like that. So that's how you scan a QR code with the camera on your Samsung phone. If the QR code that you're trying to scan is located on your phone, such as a website or something like that, we can scan it by first taking a screenshot of the QR code. So if it's in an email, open up the email. If it's on a website, open that up. And then you just want to hit the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Once you do that, you'll see the screenshot that we just took show up right here. So you just want to open that up. Once you open it, select it, and you should see the little text icon right here, or go to website, select that, and then you just need to select the QR code, and it'll let you know what the QR code says. For this one, it just says subscribe now. Now, if for some reason this isn't working for you on your Samsung phone, you can simply navigate to QR Code Gadget and select Decode QR Code from image. So all we need to do is take the screenshot of our QR code, then just select it using Choose File. You can add it from your files or your photos. We took a screenshot, so it'll show up in the photos. Then just select it, and it'll decode it right there, where then you can copy that to your clipboard. And if it's a web address, paste it into the browser or share it or anything you need to do. So those were a couple different ways to scan QR codes on any Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.